Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next we will see one more tree, one more search tree called balanced search tree. So it is search tree. Yes, it is search tree. Okay, it is one of search tree. That is tree means obviously search tree means obviously binary search trees. It is a binary search tree, but with one condition. What is that condition? Balanced search trees. So we'll see with one example. We'll see with an example. I will go with paint screen. Is it visible? Paint screen is visible now for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. For example, I'm just adding few elements. Okay. I'm just trying to add, for example, the value 20 I'm inserting. Okay. And I want to insert 30. Where I will insert? I want to insert 30. That is, I am
Left side.
constructing binary search tree now. Okay. Left
Right
side,
side, ma'am.
right side I will insert. That is, I want to construct binary search tree. I want to insert value 40. I want to insert value
Right
40.
side.
Where it
Right
will
side of
go?
30. Right side of 30.
Only Nithis know the answer. Only Nithis know the answer, guys. Everyone. Why morning itself? What happened? Alan. Alan, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Open up. Abhideep.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavan. Pavan. Then I will make a note. Geeta Rani. Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Malati.
Yes, ma'am.
Baunika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, everyone can answer, no, at least, so that it will be interesting. Else, I'm keep on talking. It's like boring, right? Okay. Now I want to insert 40. Where you have to insert 40? I want to
Right side
insert.
of 30.
Right side, ma'am. Right side.
Exactly. Again,
Right
right.
side of 30.
Right side of 30.
Again, right side of 30. So I am inserting 40. I want to insert 45 now. I want to insert 45 now. Again, where I will insert?
Right side. Right side
Right
of
side of
40.
Right side, ma'am.
Okay. Again, right side of 40. Yes. Whether it is binary search tree, whether it is binary search tree.
No, ma'am.
Why no?
Because there are two minimum most nodes, ma'am.
Okay.
I mean binary tree.
Okay.
But here is not, ma'am.
Where it is not? Where it is
In
not
this,
following?
ma'am. In this tree, ma'am.
Okay. Here, how many left node it is having? How many left node it is having?
0, ma'am. 0.
0. Right side?
1, ma'am.
Okay. For this tree, left side?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Side?
1.
1.
For 40, left side?
No, ma'am.
0.
Right side?
1.
It is binary tree, right? Whether it is
No,
binary
ma'am.
search tree? Whether it is
No,
binary
ma'am.
search tree? Why no? Why no? Why it is not binary search tree? Why it is not binary search tree?
Ma'am, in binary search tree,
Okay.
at most two nodes. There are 2 nodes, no?
Okay. That is for each node, it should have at most 2 children. Correct. It is following.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
It is following.
Okay,
Each
ma'am.
and every node it is following.
It is binary tree, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Binary tree,
Okay.
ma'am.
It is binary tree, fine. Whether it is binary search tree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But what is the problem? Why we have to go for binary search tree? Because we are talking about searching will be easy. Correct. Whereas in real time, if I'm getting this kind of data, since it is binary search tree only, yes, of course it is binary search tree. Of course it is binary tree. I am inserting without any issues. But in real time data, if I get this kind of data, where I'm going to keep on inserting at one side, we'll tell this situation as a skewed tree. This is this is right skewed tree. If I have some data, if I have some data inserting in this way, it is called right skewed tree. Okay. Now I am keep on inserting only one side. For example, I want to search the value 50. Okay. So in binary search tree, what we'll do? We'll try to find mid position. Correct. We'll try to find the mid
Yes, ma'am.
position. And then whether we have to go left or right, we'll decide. Again, we'll come with right. Again, we'll find mid position. Correct. So again, we have to keep on checking in same direction. It is kind of linear search. Correct. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when in this kind of situation where we'll tell the skewed pattern, where only one side getting increased, where other side of tree is not getting increased. For example, I may have data like this. I may have data. For example, I'm having only few data left side and more data on the right side. That is where one side tree getting growing and where another side is not growing as much. So in this type of tree, where of course it is binary tree, of course it is binary search tree, but where one side keep on getting increasing, where one side the height is too much bigger than other side, that time binary search tree won't be efficient. Okay, that time it is not much efficient to do the searching. So people found one idea. What is that idea? Height balanced binary search tree. Binary search tree is a Pokka exact searching algorithm, but the height problem will happen. So three people found an idea, whereas that is Adelson, Ilsky, Landis. Okay, three people. So that is why that tree name is called as AVL trees, where the three author found that AVL trees. That is, what is that idea behind that? It should be binary search tree. But what is the kind of binary search tree? That is height balanced binary search trees. Okay, what is AVL trees? Yes, it is one of non-primitive, non-linear data structure. It is tree data structure. It is one of the binary tree. It is an example search tree with one condition. What is that condition? Height balanced binary search tree or height balanced search tree. Okay, so we'll see one example. Okay. Okay. So what is the left side height here?
0, ma'am.
Guys, others also can answer, please. What is the left side height?
0.
0, ma'am.
Yeah. What about right side?
0.
Okay. So what is the height difference? Left and right height difference is
0.
what?
0, ma'am.
Okay. So what about height this side?
1.
1. What about height this side? 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. So what is the height difference here? 1, here 4. That is left
3,
minus right. 1 minus 4, so minus 3.
3, ma'am.
3.
Okay. Consider this. What about the left side? 0.
0.
What about
0,
the right
ma'am.
side height? What about
3.
the right side height? 3. So what is the height difference?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
What about this node? What about the height difference?
Minus 2.
Very good. What about this node?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
And what about 50?
0.
0, ma'am.
So in each and every place, I wrote the height balancing factor. Okay, where we have 0, minus 1, 2, 3 like that. But in AVL, in AVL trees, the height balancing factor should be either 0, okay, minus 1 or plus 1.
1.
That's all. Okay, where 2 is not allowed, 3 is not allowed. So the balancing factor can be 0, -1 or +1.
1.
So the balancing factor should not, that is comparing left and right height of the tree, the difference should not be greater than 1. So we will see one example, a perfect example for, okay. For example, I want to insert value 50. I'm inserting value 50. And I want to insert value 40. Where you have to insert value 40?
Left, ma'am.
Left side.
Very good. I want to insert value 40. I want to insert value 60. Where I can insert?
Right side.
Very good. I want to insert 70. Where I can insert? I want to insert 70. Where I can insert?
Right side of 60. Right side of 60.
Good.
See right.
So 70. Okay. So I'm just trying to connect. This is my, whether it is binary search tree, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, everyone can open up, right? Answer no, it is not that much big question. Whether it is binary tree,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Binary tree.
whether it is binary search tree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now we'll try to find the balancing factor. Okay. What about balancing factor in this node?
Yes, ma'am.
0, ma'am.
Very good. Balancing factor. Guys, please, everyone listen. If you didn't listen, definitely you cannot take up this problem. Okay, 99% you can expect problem in AVL trees. So this is the basic what I'm explaining now. You have to understand. Without understanding, definitely you cannot attend the problem. But if you understood, it is very easy to score marks. Definitely you will get problems. But you have to understand. You cannot mug it up. Like other subjects, you cannot mug it up this. You have to understand the flow. That is why I'm taking slowly. Please listen. Height balancing factor is 0. Correct. Jay, you are there? Dharani Jay? Number 21, Jay, you are there? I'm just noting who and all not replying. Number 21. Himanshu, you are there? Himanshu, you are there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Himanshu, please let me know what is the height balancing factor for 50? What is the height of left side tree, pa? What is the height of left side tree?
40.
Height I'm telling. What is the height
Oh.
of left side tree?
1.
1, right? That is left
1.
side
Yeah.
height is 1 minus. What is the height of right side tree?
2, ma'am.
2, right? So what is the balancing factor? What is the
Minus one.
balancing factor? Minus 1. Okay. Okay. Kiran Kumar, you are there? 32, number 32, Kiran Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, pa. So just for 60, what is the height of left side tree? What is the height of left side tree?
0.
Okay, very good, 0. Okay. And what is the height of right side tree? What is the height of right side
1.
tree? 1.
1.
So what is the height balancing factor for this node?
0.
Here 0, here 1. So it means
-1.
0 minus 1. Yes. What about 70? Left is 0, right also 0. So 0.
0.
So height balancing factor is 0. Whether it is binary tree,
Yes, ma'am.
whether it is binary search tree,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
whether it is height balanced binary search tree,
Yes, ma'am.
whether
Yes,
in
ma'am.
all the nodes it is following a proper balancing factor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So that is why this is nothing but we can call AVL trees. So we are putting AVL trees. What is that? Height balanced binary search tree. What is height balanced? Each and every node should follow the one property. What is that property? The each and every node's balancing factor should be either 0 or -1 or 1. That is, the height should not be more than one level. It can be accepted one level height, but it cannot go beyond that. Okay, so for example, whenever I'm inserting value, I want to check whether height is balanced or not. Okay, anyway, I'm constructing binary search tree only. But before that, what I did, whenever the value is coming, I just inserted. But here, whenever value is coming, I'm just inserting by following binary search tree concept, but also I'm checking the height balance, whether height balanced or not. Shall we go with one example, one more example? For example, I want to insert 75. I want to insert 75. Where I can go? Where I can go?
What, ma'am?
I want to insert 70.
Right side of 70.
Exactly.
Right side, ma'am.
Exact. Right side of 70. So here only I want to insert 75. Correct. So that time what will happen? What about the height of 75? What about the height of 75?
0.
Very good.
0, ma'am.
0. What about the height of 70?
-1.
1, right?
-1, ma'am.
-1. And what about height of 60?
-2.
Very good. -2. What about height of 50?
-2, ma'am.
-2. -2. Here 1, no. 1 -3 -2. So whether it is AVL tree,
No, ma'am.
no, correct. So, but it is a perfect binary search tree, correct? That you agree with
Yes,
me? This is
Yes, ma'am.
perfectly binary search tree, but it is not AVL tree. So, what is the solution? What is the solution? So, what we have to do when it not violating the height balancing factor, that time we have to make the tree balanced. If we get the tree like this, where the height is not balanced, what we have to do? We have to do something and make the tree perfect. For that process only we are talking rotation. Okay, what we have to do? We have to do the rotations to make the tree balanced. So after inserting one element, if the height balancing property if violates, so we have to rotate the tree such that it should be balanced. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do some rotations. There are 4 type of rotations. Okay, left rotation, right rotation, right rotation, and left right rotation, and
right left.
Okay, so when we are inserting element, there is a possibility of to do these rotations to make the tree balance. Understood? Till now understood everyone? What is AVL tree? What is the purpose? Why we have to go? Yes, everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if skewed data happened in binary search tree, I have to search in only one side continuously. But whereas in AVL tree, I'm just doing the height balance. Okay, so whatever the data I'm inserting, always I can assure that the height is balanced. So that is the specific property of AVL trees. Now, shall we go with example for all these rotations, guys? Yes? Any doubt till now? What is AVL tree?
No, ma'am.
What is AVL tree? What is height balancing factor? How to find the height balancing factor? Any doubt in this, guys? Everyone, please answer me.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this? Gangadhar, Dhanani, Priyanka,
Yes, ma'am.
Chandrasekhar, any doubts, guys? Shall we move?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, see, I told balance factor is equal to height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. Okay. Okay. So I told there are 4 types of rotations. If I explain like this, you will get confused. I will start with very simple example. So please try to understand. Guys, everyone start listen. If you didn't listen, definitely you cannot understand. Okay, what is the first type? What is the first type? Left rotation. Okay, we will see left rotation. Okay, for example, I am inserting value 50. Whether it is perfect, only one node, whether it is perfect, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to insert value 60. Where I will insert? I want to insert value 60.
Right side, ma'am.
Guys, everyone, where I want to insert 60?
Right side, ma'am.
Right side
ma'am.
of 50.
Right
Correct.
side.
Here, Ayush, what happened today? No proper answer from you. So I'm inserting 60. So whenever I'm inserting, I have to check what I have to check in A-will trees. What I have to check? You have to check what I have to check whenever I'm inserting node.
Balance
What
factor, ma'am.
exactly? Balance factor I have to check. So what is the balance factor of 50? What is the balance
Minus
factor?
1.
Exactly, -1. Good. What is the balance factor of 60?
0.
0, ma'am.
Very good. Now I want to insert value 70. Now I want to insert value 70. Where you can insert?
Right side of
Right
60.
side.
Yes, right side of 60. I am inserting 70. Now again, I want to check the balancing factor of each and every node. So I'm just checking. Balancing factor of 70. What is the balancing factor of 70?
0, ma'am.
0.
0. What is the balancing factor of 60?
Minus 1.
-1.
-1. Very good. What is the balancing factor of 50?
Minus 2.
-2. Whether it is AVL trees? Whether
No,
it is
ma'am.
AVL tree?
No, ma'am.
No, because this node having height balancing factor is 2. That is where only 0 or either -1 or +1 will be accepted. So where the height balancing factor 2 is not acceptable here. So we have to do something. What we have to do, that process is called as rotation. Okay. So which type of rotation I should proceed, that I have to design now. Okay. Whether it is left side or right side, whether it is left or right. This is the place where the height balancing factor is violating, correct? Guys, understood? This is the place where my height balance is not perfect, correct? So you have to
Yes,
start from this place. So you have to start from this place. You are starting. Whether it is left or right, whether it is left or right.
Right.
Right,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Whether it is left or right.
Right.
So you have to check for 2 places. From the place where you are getting violation, from that place you check for the 2 place down. That is right. Both are right, correct? Both
Yes,
are
ma'am.
right. So that time, if it is both are right, you have to follow the left rotation. You have to follow the left rotation. Okay? Guys, understood till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to take all these 3 nodes and you have to do the left rotation. So the middle node you keep as such. Okay. The top node you are just rotating left. So what will happen? So this portion you are rotating left. What will happen? What will happen? This portion I'm just rotating left. What will happen? What will happen? 50 will come. Where 50 will come?
50 will come 60 of left side.
Come again. 50, where with 50 will come?
Left side of 60, ma'am.
Exactly. Very good. So what is the result now? 60 I am having here, and then 50 will come left side, 70 will be here. Is it correct? Guys, is it correct?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? So, initially I added these elements, okay? So I'm just checking all the balancing factor where it is violating. From that node down, I am checking that is both are right. If both are, both are, I have to do the left rotation. I'm just keeping the middle node as such, and I'm just rotating this as a left rotation. Left side I'm rotating. So this will become root node. My 50 will come left side. Everyone understood this? How this tree, equivalent tree had come?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now check for the height balance. Now check for the height balance. This is also 0. This is also 0. This is also
0.
exactly
0, ma'am.
0.
0.
So whether it is AVL tree, whether it is AVL tree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. So now we will see with next example. Okay, that is, now I want to insert again. Now I want to insert value. Excuse me. I want to insert value 50. 1 minute, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Now I want to insert value 40. Where I will insert 40?
Left side.
I want to insert 30. Where I have to insert?
40 left side.
Left side.
When I'm started checking the height balancing factor, what will happen? When I'm started checking the height balancing factor, what will happen? For this node, it is 0. For this node, it is 1. For this node, it is 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this? How I made this? Students, answer me, then only I will come to know whether you understood
No,
or
ma'am.
not. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to rotate. So we have to decide which rotation I have to perform. So I told where
Right
the
rotation.
height balancing factor violates. So this is the place where it violated. Correct. So I am just starting from there. 2 places. 1 down, 2 down. I'm checking whether it is left or right. Left.
Left.
Whether it is left or right. Left.
Left.
So if both are left, which rotation I have to do? Right rotation. Okay, right rotation. If so, from last example, what we have done? If both are, what I have to do? Left rotation I have to do.
Rotation.
So if both LL, what I have to do?
Right rotation.
Right rotation. Okay. We will see how to do right rotation. I can keep the mid value as such, and what I have to do, I have to rotate right. I have to rotate this node right direction. So what will happen? Can anyone guess what will happen?
40.
40 will come, ma'am.
40 will come?
Ma'am,
Right
root,
side of
ma'am.
50.
40 will be root, ma'am, and 50
will
is
be the
right side of
root node.
40.
That is, I am just keeping this as such, and I am rotating this in right direction. Okay, and 30 will come left
Left
side,
side.
and then
Left side of 40.
50 will
right
come.
side. Right side.
Right side.
Right side of 40, ma'am.
Very good. That's it. So here 30 will be, and then other side 50.
50.
Guys, any other doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Now
No, ma'am.
Now check for the height balancing. 0, 0. Here also 0. So whether it is properly AVL trees? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Whether
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
whether it is properly binary search tree?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Whether it is AVL tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Both the example understood. Left, right, and right. Left rotation, right rotation. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Okay. So next we'll see another kind of rotation. This we will delete. Okay. For example, I'm adding value 50. Okay. So since only one element, no issues. And I'm adding value 40. Where you have to insert 40?
Left side.
Okay, left side, correct. I'm inserting here the value 40. I'm inserting. This is fine. Okay, and I want to insert 35. No, I think I have added wrongly, right?
Yes, ma'am. You are right side.
Okay, now I want to insert 45. I want to insert 45.
Right side of 40.
Right side of
Before that, we will check whether height is properly fine or not. What is height balancing when I added 40? 0. Here, 1.
1.
Now again I am adding value. For example, 45 I want to add. 45. Where I want to insert 45?
Right side of 40.
Exactly. Right side of 40. Correct. So I want to insert 45 here. Correct. I'm inserting 45 and I'm just connecting with like this. Now again I'm checking the balancing factor, whether it is correct or not. I'm just checking. Okay. What is the balancing factor of 45?
0, ma'am.
What is the balancing factor of 40?
Minus
Minus
1.
What is the balancing factor of 50?
1, ma'am.
1, ma'am.
Why
1,
1?
ma'am.
Height 1, 2 na? Height
No,
I'm
ma'am.
talking. Height means
1, ma'am.
what? Length. Okay. So 2 minus 0, right? So what is the height of this tree, this node?
2.
2.
2. Correct. Whether it is binary search tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether it is AVL tree?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So where the property getting violated? This place. So down I'm checking whether it is left or right.
Left.
Left.
I'm just down checking whether it is left or right.
Right.
Right. That is from top to bottom. I'm telling left and right. Correct. So
Yes.
that time what we have to do, okay, this is the place 50, 40, 45. Here direction is left, here the direction is right. So from bottom we have to do the rotation. So from bottom, so what is the bottom element? 40 and 55, correct? 40 and 55. What is that pattern? Right, correct? Here we have to do left rotation. After that, here we have to do right rotation.
Right rotation.
Understood? See, this is the pattern. This is the node where my balancing factor getting violated. Okay, I'm just checking down towards down. I'm checking left and then this is right. So from bottom, I have to do the rotation. Bottom here, which rotation I have to do? If it is right means I have to do left rotation. And after that here in this place, I have to check the right rotation. We will do one by one. Okay, you don't consider this now. You don't consider 50 now. As now we have to consider only just imagine. Okay, now as now you don't consider this now. So in our mind only 40 and then 45. Okay, 40 and 45. What we have to do now? What we have to do? What we have to do?
Swapping.
That is
Swapping.
left rotation. I am rotating left. So what will happen? I am just rotating left. What will happen? 45 become? Whether this is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether this is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood why
Yes,
how
ma'am.
I made this? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this I have done, and already I'm having 50 here, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am just joining. Already I'm having 50. That is again this is kind of LL rotation, correct?
Your sound is breaking, ma'am.
Guys, is it clear? My voice
Yes,
is
ma'am.
breaking. My voice is
No,
breaking.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Abhishek,
No,
just check. No, guys, everyone answer how whether my voice is breaking.
No,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Monisha, you there? Monisha? Okay, fine. So what I have to do now, I have to do the right rotation, correct? Now I want to do right rotation. If I do right rotation, what will happen? From this, what will happen? I'm just doing the right rotation. So what will happen? 45 will become
Right side of.
root node. 40 will come here. Since I'm doing right rotation, 50 will come here. Any doubt in this? How I made?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Others?
No, ma'am.
Ayush, what about you?
No, ma'am.
Ankit?
Yes, ma'am.
Ankit, what about one more? Ankit is not there. Okay. So now we will do with last rotation. That is just now what we have done. Which rotation we have seen?
Left, right.
Yeah. That is from top to bottom. If LR means we have to do right left rotation, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we will see another example. For example, I am inserting one value, for example 50, and I am inserting one value, for example 60. Okay. And again I am inserting one value, for example 55, where I have to insert like this, correct? I am inserting.
Left side of 60.
Yes, I'm just connecting, and I'm just trying to find the balancing factor. Balancing factor, I'm just checking. This is 0. This is 0. This is 1. And this is -2. Correct? So, where the property getting violated, this is the place the property got violated. That is, I'm just checking towards down. This is what? Right. This is what?
Left.
Left. That is from top to bottom, right and left. Correct. So I have to do the rotation from bottom up. Bottom, what I have to do? I have to do the
Swapping.
Right.
exactly
Right,
right
ma'am.
rotation. Okay. As now you just forgot about that. As now you just forgot about that. You just concentrate 60 and then 55. Okay. I'm having like this. What I have to do? I have to do the right rotation. I have to do the right rotation. So what will happen? I'm just rotating right. So this will go up, this will come down. So what will happen? 55. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
60 will come down. This place understood, everyone? How I made? So
Yes, ma'am.
now you can bring up the value 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, what you have to do? Now you have to do the left rotation. Obviously, now it is right. So obviously you have to do left rotation. So keeping this as a mid node, you are just rotating this to left. So what will happen? Finally, 55 will be your root node, and then 50 will come left side, 60 will go your right side. Is it clear? Guys, clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, if you didn't understand that, then it is very difficult to do this problem. Okay, that is why I'm explaining this much time. So from top to bottom, if it is oral means, if it is oral means, you have to do the top, bottom to up, you have to do the right. Then I have done wrongly. Top to bottom oral means first you have to do the right here. See, don't get confused. Don't get confused. This order I am writing from top to bottom. Okay, where the property getting violated, from that place I am writing top to bottom. But this rotation, these two only will be confusing you. These I am just talking about bottom up. Bottom, what I have to do, and up, what I have to do. Clear, guys? All 4 types of rotation, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.